Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix DNS resolution error in Linux in a very simple way. How you can simply fix this DNS resolution error. You can first simply check internet connection. For that you have to simply open your terminal and then simply type here this one and then click enter. If this works, your internet connection is working. Also you can test your DNS resolution. You can simply type here this command and then click enter. If 8.8.8 works but google.com doesn't, then it's a DNS problem. Now you can simply check your current DNS server. For that you can type this command and then click enter. If it's in your name server, if it's looking something like this, then you have to understand that this is your current DNS server. And now you can simply set Google DNS. For that you can simply type this command and then click enter. Now simply give your computer password. Into this here you can simply come over into the name server section. You can simply see here it is. Into the name server section you can simply type your server name server. You can simply type your 8.8.8.8 and after that you can simply press Ctrl+O and then Ctrl+X and then click enter and press Ctrl+X. That's it. So I didn't change my name server because I don't have any DNS problem. Now you can simply do the restart the network manager. For that you can type here this command and now you flushed your network manager. You restart your network manager. Now you can simply flush your DNS cache. For that you can type here and then click enter. Now you flush your DNS cache and now you can simply test again this command and then click enter. And now if it's working properly, like if it's showing 64 byte over here, you can simply see from google.com, then your DNS is rightly working in your Linux operating system. So yeah, this is how we can simply fix. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.